Hi there guys, welcome to the channel. I have today become the proud owner of a SUB250 Huma 20 with the DJI 04 Pro system. So I thought it appropriate, before I unbox it, I thought I'd make an unboxing video so you can see exactly what it's all about. It's just arrived from China, and I haven't even opened the box yet. So let's go ahead and have a look, see what we've got. Right, so on the box, the Huma 20 04 Pro. It's a plug and play version because I'm going to use my DJI controller for it. It's got the Red Fox A3 45A AIO. It's Betaflight 4.5.1. Receiver is PNP. The test pilot is TP001. Let's hope he was a good guy. And let's open it. Made in China, of course. SUB250. Little QR codes. Okay. Okay, so here we go. Open it up, and there we have in the box the little drone. Got these, which are okay. So in here we have all sorts of little goodies, extra spares. The Red Fox instructions and wiring diagram, etc. That's obviously in Chinese. I would need this one, the English. The extras are okay, so a little lens, looks like a lens cover. Lens cover, some little sticky pads, some little grommets, an Allen key, a couple more little grommets, need screws, M2 times 5 screws, M2 times 3, M2 times 6, some little nuts, M2 times 11, and I think this might be a little, possibly a GoPro mount. Anyway, that's what the extras you get. This little box, let's see if there's anything in here. Oh yeah, there is quite a bit in here. So here you get some extra propellers and another bag of extra propellers, so 8 propellers in total. A couple of battery straps for the batteries, really nicely made Velcro straps. Yeah, obviously it goes in there like that and then over like that. Yeah, very nice. Some stickers and a little few more stickers. Funnily enough, the Huma 20 doesn't seem to be on here, but it's alright. And we have the drone. Okay, which, yes, if you open this like that, and out she comes. Wow, that is really nice. Little things going there. I'll do that in a minute. Both the little antennas with the DJI 04 Air unit Pro in there, and the little camera, and the little props are tiny, but yeah, quite light, but it seems pretty robust and quite strong. Really nice carbon frame. So that's it. That's the unboxing. And stay tuned for more on this little drone. Obviously, I'm going to set it up and we'll have to get out and fly it. Hopefully when the wind's not so strong, get out there on a good day and give it a spin. Very nice, very nice. Thanks for watching.